In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OBS Studio error, failed to open Nvenc Codec, function not implemented. This is a common issue that many streamers encounter, especially if you're new to using OBS Studio. Let's walk through the steps to resolve this error and get you back to streaming without interruption. First, please open your OBS Studio application. This software is our main tool for streaming and recording, so getting comfortable navigating it will help you troubleshoot not only this, but future issues as well. Make sure you're opening the version where you're experiencing this problem. Once you have OBS Studio open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner where the Settings button is located. Clicking Settings will open a new window packed with all the customizable options you might need to adjust your streaming and recording settings. This is where we'll carry out most of our fixes today. Now that you're in the Settings window, look at the left side menu and find Output. Clicking on Output will change the main panel to show the various output settings available. This is a crucial part of OBS, as it determines how your stream is processed and ultimately broadcasted. Inside the Output section, you need to navigate to the Streaming tab. This section is specifically focused on settings that affect the live broadcast capabilities of OBS. It's essential to ensure everything is configured correctly here to avoid errors like the one we're addressing today. Within the Streaming tab, look for the Encoder section. You'll want to click on Encoder Settings. This is a key area because the Nvenc Codec error is directly related to how your encoder is set. It's all about processing and preparing your stream data before it gets sent to platforms like Twitch or YouTube. Next, you'll see the Rate Control option. Click on Rate Control to reveal the different rate control options available. The rate control settings manage how much of your computer's resources are allocated for streaming. The efficiency of these settings can significantly influence your streaming performance and whether or not errors occur. Finally, select CBR from the list. CBR stands for Constant Bitrate, which provides a steady and reliable data stream, ensuring quality remains consistent throughout your broadcast. Using CBR can alleviate many of the issues with Nvenc, because it restricts the encoder from using too many resources at once, thus reducing the chance for errors. With these changes, click Apply followed by OK to save your adjustments and close the settings window. Give your OBS a quick restart to ensure all changes are active. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the Nvenc Codec error and continue streaming smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!